In a sovereignty system, two bodies drive each other. Although they are two separate bodies, they are bound by the system and cannot be separated. Through this system, they generate more energy for each other than what is needed to maintain the system. Due to the drives, they will also run around each other. The speeds of both are slowed by inertia and limited to a maximum. As said, the force only arises when the movement of the mass body is prevented. This also created the gravitations for both, with which they in turn drive each other. This is, in the truest sense of the word, the interaction. They will also rotate around their own axis due to the effect of grarotation. Because of conflict caused by the rotating gravitational fields of the two, the planes of rotation are positioned on two orthogonal planes. Only in such a position can they keep pushing and walking around each other forever. If either body deviates from its plane of rotation, both gravitational fields will come into conflict. Then the deviated orthogonal planes are restored automatically. That is, two bodies that make up a sovereignty system remain in their orthogonal positions as long as the system remains. So they are correlated with each other. A mysterious phenomenon that could previously only be observed in the microscopic world and which has been referred to as the entanglement. So the entanglement also exists in the macroscopic world. It's not a spooky phenomenon, just a simple physical one that's fully relatable. We can also imagine that a binary system of two stars must be a sovereignty system. Otherwise they can't run around each other forever. This means that they two stars, are entangled with one another. In fact, it is already clear that if two bodies interact and are correlated with each other, they must also be entangled and logically bound in a system. This system is called the sovereignty system. But this is a perpetual-like system that defies some physical laws and theories. One could say that everything that doesn't follow our physical law is wrong. However, I'm sorry to say that all physical laws were only once made by earthly people, not necessarily sacred. This system is based on a simple physical basis, that infinite energy can be generated by a mass body that is constantly being accelerated, even if its speed is limited. This is exactly why the speed of a body that is constantly being accelerated will not increase to infinity. And the reason for this is a simple property of the mass body, the inertia. It only makes it possible to objectively explain such mysterious physical phenomenon as entanglement and interaction. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.